PSD here at Tech. I just got the phone fresh out of my fridge, guys, and as you can see it's running 28 degrees, which is about the same temperature I used to test this with the previous update, which was the September AUHT update, but running on the Android 11. And if you have been following my channel, you know this is Android 12 One UI 4, right? And your boy is going to be doing some testing for you. So without any further ado, I'm going to be starting Geekbench. I want to see how the phone using Android 12 and One UI 4 Beta 1 will compare against the results we got previous time, which was, I think, quite nice. And yeah, just let's start Geekbench and see what happens. Test started. In the meantime, guys, if you have missed my One UI 4 video, you can just undo this by checking the link here. You're gonna be able to see all the new features, some tests like camera shutter, camera speed, and also performance, apps opening, closing animations, and some, of course, of the much anticipated new features that Samsung decided to implement straight away from Android 12. Alright, but hey, this video right now is gonna be on testing, so let's see what we got before, guys. On the last September update, I got 1037 on the single core and 3390 on the multi-core score, and then here you can just see this was the previous updates, 1077-3417. So this is kind of like the range of the score we're looking at, and I'm really eager to understand if there's going to be any performance improvement, because of course that's Android 12, right? So we always hope that we're going to get more and more. If you have been following the news, you'll know that Samsung decided to bring back the old power management, right? Before that we just got one like enhanced processing. Right now we're down to what we used to have before this new feature, so I didn't change anything, right? I'm just running right now on WKHD, the highest resolution, on 120 Hz refresh rate. I didn't do anything in terms of processing, so I didn't change any of those things, just to get a rough idea of the raw performance the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra Exynos version can get with the Android 12, with using the One UI 4. And of course, the very big disclaimer I need to make, this is One UI 4 Beta 1, right? So it's not so stable for daily use. It could be okay if you're somebody like me that I just want to play around with my devices, but if that's your daily driver, I would not recommend you to go and install Beta 1. But okay, guys, I'm very thrilled. Drums rolling. 1065, which is actually, you know, even beating the score from last time, which was 1037, and 3330 on the multi-core score, which I think is quite okay. Down below you can see that the operating system is Android 12, the motherboard, CPU and the SoC is Exynos 2100. Now what's interesting, when we go here in a single core, we can see about how we are performing. Now the average S21 Ultra will have 960, and of course I'm above, which makes me pretty happy. Let's check also the multi-core. Also above we have 3330, and the average S21 Ultra will deliver 2176. Now of course you need to bear in mind that the phone was in the fridge and it was operating with, I would say, ideal temperatures. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm gonna kill the Geekbench. You can just see phone got heated a bit, 3336, so I'm not gonna put it back in the fridge, but instead I'm going to run a second benchmark, which is the Antutu. As you can tell, in the latest September update for the S21 Ultra, I achieved 724K, and before that I got 730K, which is also a great score, right? So now I'm very thrilled to understand, can we keep up the same performance, or are we gonna get even better? So let's just hit here the test again, and I'm gonna speed up the video and I'll meet you at the end of the Antutu benchmark result. Defeated 75% of the users, but the result was 709, and before that, with Android 11 and the latest AUHD September update, we were having 730, right, which is actually not bad. What is interesting to see is that you see the temperature, right, going up a bit, right, with 5% down on the battery, so 7.7 Celsius up on the temperature, 5% down on the battery. So the phone was not so hot, right, still I think very nice result, but it is a bit lower to what we've seen before. Now, is this a good indication, a bad indication? I don't know. It's a very first beta 1 software, One UI 4 based on Android 12, so we have to still live and see what will happen in the next iterations, like the beta 2, beta 3, and etc. But I would say stable enough, not sure. Performance wise, I would say a nice performance. So my advice is, guys, if you want to go and update to beta 1, then you'll not have like 100% stability yet from a stable ROM, but it will perform, I would say, probably even above average. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. If you have any questions or any tips, just put a comment down below or join the new VST chat. There is a new chat that I created on Telegram. If you want me to do or test anything specifically for One UI 4, let me know. I'm planning a bunch of One UI 4 videos that will come in the next days. So guys, please, you and your families, stay safe until we meet on one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.